Hi friends, this is Dr. Ajay and as promised I am here with Videoscribe tutorial. Before proceedings, let me clear, I am an academician. I am here to help you to your students with learning. So friends, let me proceed with today's video that help you to learn with fun with Videoscribe, an engaging, creative and moreover than a tool for content creation. So friends, don't just tell, show your engaging presentation with Videoscribe. So friends, with this presentation, you will be able to learn and know the requirements to create Videoscribe. Along with that, you will be able to learn step by step to get started with Videoscribe and understand things to remember before creating Videoscribe presentation. Along with that, you will also be able to publish and share your scribes. So friends, there are the basic requirements to get started with Videoscribe. The first and foremost thing is your PC or laptop. I'll not recommend the mobile as the Videoscribe don't have any Android app to run in the mobile. You must have an fluent and uninterrupted internet connection, and last but not least, access to Videoscribe, that is available as free trial or paid. So friends, before proceeding with this tutorial, there are few of the things which is to be remembered while creating your scribe. So before creating your Videoscribe, just plan your scribe. So as the part of the planning, pick a topic of your choice on which you want to prepare your video, then write the script, which is quite necessary to maintain the flow of your video. Along with that, plan your storyboard with images and graphics, and here you are ready to start it with fun. So to get ready with this content creation with the help of Videoscribe, you just need to log into the videoscribe.com and you need to sign up with your credentials, then download the software in your PC or laptop. Then after installing the software, you need to log in with your login credentials, and let's get started to have fun with Videoscribe, the tool which draw its images itself, and you will be able to create an impressive video for your learners. So friends, happy learning. Thank you.